How to download and install Filto editing app on Android. The Filto app is not available on the Play Store, so I am using the APK Pure app to download Filto. First of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed APK Pure on your device. Open the app and tap on the search bar at the top. Type Filto and look for the official app developed by Pinso Inc. Check the app icon and developer name to make sure it's the right one. Next, tap the install button to start downloading the app. The download speed will depend on your internet connection, but it usually takes just a couple of minutes. Once the installation is complete, open the app directly or find the Filto icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to launch it. When you open Filto for the first time, the app will ask for permission to access your photos, videos, and media files. Grant these permissions so you can easily edit your content within the app. Take a moment to explore the app interface and get familiar with the various filters, effects, and editing tools available. Now you know how to download and install Filto app on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.